Hello my dear students, how are you? I wish you are fine. Welcome to our school channel. This is Miss Marwa Sami, math teacher at Khudair Language School. Today we are going to complete our lessons in primary 4. Our lesson is lesson number 1. Unit 3 is about multiples. First, what's the meaning of multiple? The result of multiplying any whole number by another whole number is the multiple of each of the two numbers. Again, the result of multiplying a whole number by another whole number is a multiple of each of the two numbers. For example, 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 is a whole number multiplied by 5, another whole number. Hence, 10 is a multiple of 2 and also multiple of 5. Another example, 4 times 6 equals 24. Hence, 24 is a multiple of 4 and also multiple of 6. 5 times 7 equals 35. Hence, 35 is multiple of 5 and also multiple of 7. The last example, 9 times 3 equals 27. Hence, 27 is a multiple of 9 and also multiple of 3. If I want to list multiple of 2, I multiply 2 by many whole numbers as 2 times 0 equals 0, 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 10 equals 20, 2 times 12 equals 24, and so on. I can multiply 2 by many whole numbers. I notice that all the multiples of 2 are even numbers, or the multiples of 2 are even numbers. Do you remember the even numbers? Let's remember it together. The even number, any number, its units equals 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number, its unit equals 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So I can say that all the even numbers are multiples of 2. For example, 152 is an even number. So it's a multiple of 2. Another one, 578 is an even number. So it's a multiple of 2. If I want to list multiple of 3, I multiply 3 by many whole numbers as 3 times 0 equals 0, 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 5 equals 15, 3 times 11 equals 33, 3 times 15 equals 45, and so on. All these numbers are multiple of 3. If I have a number formed from more than 2 digits number, like as 525, and I want to know if this number is a multiple of 3 or not, what can I do? I get the sum of its digits. As 5 plus 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And the result is multiple of 3. So 525 is also multiple of 3. Again, if I have a number formed from more than 2 digits number and I want to know if it's a multiple of 3 or not, I get the sum of its digits. And if the result is multiple of 3, then the number is also multiple of 3. Another example, 650. I want to know if this number is a multiple of 3 or not. What can I do? I sum its digits. 6 plus 1 plus 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. And 12 is a multiple of 3. So 615 is also multiple of 3. 131. I want to know if this number is a multiple of 3 or not. What can I do? I sum its digits. 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 not multiple of 3. So 131 is also not multiple of 3. Now we are going to list multiple of 4. As I do before, I multiply 4 by many whole numbers. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 11 equals 44. 4 times 13 equals 52, and so on. If I have a number formed from more than 2 digits number as 132, and I want to know if this number is a multiple of 4 or not. What can I do? I determine the tens and units together as 32 tens and units. If 32 is a multiple of 4, then 132 is also multiple of 4. 32, yes, is multiple of 4. Then 132 is also multiple of 4. Another example, 224. I want to know if it's a multiple of 4 or not. I determine the tens and units together as 24. 24 is a multiple of 4, yes. Hence, 224 is also multiple of 4. 131. I want to know if this number is a multiple of 4 or not. I determine tens and units together as 31. 31 isn't multiple of 4. So 131 isn't multiple of 4 also. If I want to list the multiples of 5, as I do before, I multiply 5 by many whole numbers as 5 times 0 equals 0, 5 times 3 equals 15, 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 9 equals 49. I notice that all the multiples of 5, its unit is 0 or 5, 0 or 5. Then I can say that all the numbers, its unit equals 0 or 5 are multiples of 5. If I want to list multiples of 10, as I do before, I multiply 10 by many whole numbers. 10 times 0 equals 0, 10 times 7 equals 70, 10 times 11 equals 110, and I notice that all the multiples of 10, its units equals 0. Now, I want to get common multiples between two numbers. As if I want to get the common multiples between 2 and 3, what can I do? I multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. And I will get the multiple of 6 by multiply by 6 by many whole numbers as 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18, and so on. Another example, if I want to get the common multiples of 2 and 5, I multiply 2 by 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. And I will get the multiples of 10. 10 times 0 equals 0. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20, and so on. The last example, common multiples between of 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. I multiply the three numbers. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. And I will list the multiples of 30 by multiply it by many whole numbers. 30 times 0 equals 0. 30 times 1 equals 30. 30 times 2 equals 60. 30 times 3 equals 90, and so on. Now I will revise the important point on our lesson. 0 is a common multiples of the all numbers. All the even numbers are multiples of 2. Any number, its units equals 0 or 5 is multiple of 5. Any number, its units is 0 is multiple of 10. And if I want to know if a number is multiple of 3 or not, I sum its digits. If I want to know the number is a multiple of 4 or not, I determine the tens and units together. At the end of our lesson, thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.